Hello students, welcome to my class. How are you all? Hope all of you are fine. This is my introduction. I am Deepa Bua and nice to meet you all. Today we will learn about adjective. So today's topic is adjective. Now, one question comes in our mind, right? What is adjective? Now I am telling. Words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place or thing are called adjective. That means it describes about person, animals, place and thing. Words for numbers, colors, size and shape are also adjective. So, adjective means to describe. The words which describe any person, things, animals, right? So, let us learn some of describing words with the help of some example. Let's A giraffe is tall. Here's the word tall described about giraffe. An elephant is big. The word big described about elephant. A bug is small. Here's the word small described bug. A turtle is slow. Here's the word slow described about turtle. A spider is little. Here's the word little as described about a spider. A leopard is fast. Here's the word fast described about the leopard. So we have learned some describing words, right? But do you know that there are many other words too, which could be used to describing many things. So now I am showing some example. It's a bird, right? It's a small bird. Here's the word small describe about bird. So small word is adjective. Now next, it's an umbrella and big umbrella. Here's the word big describe about umbrella. So our adjective is big. Oh, it's a cat. It's a fat cat. And these fat words describe about cat. So the adjective word is fat. And it's a pencil. Thin pencil. Thin word describe about the pencil. Now we see a man. Oh, he's a tall man. The word tall describe about the man. So here's the adjective word is tall. Another man. He is a short man. So the word short describe about this man. A cup of tea. The tea is hot. That means it's a hot tea. Here's the word hot describe about tea. And now ice. Cold ice. Cold word describe about ice. So the adjective word is cold. Words used to describe quality, color, size and shape. So an adjective also describes how someone or something looks, taste, feels, smells, or sounds. Like, we see a beautiful girl. Here's beautiful describes the looks of the girl. So, what's the adjective word? The adjective word is beautiful. And now we see a salty chips. Salty describes the taste of the chips. It's a pillow. Soft pillow. Soft describes the feel of the pillow. So students, today we have learned so many describing words, right? Now we have to practice. And here is your homeworks. Fill in the blanks with right adjectives. See the picture and put the appropriate word. Thank you all of my dear students. Thanks for watching my video. Stay safe. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.